In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $195,110 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube using free traffic. I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on YouTube if you want to earn commission. Will be a profitable affiliate link for you and so much more. Okay, for people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys step by step how you can create an affiliate account like this one, how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing. And as you can see in my balance over here, I have $9,210 in commission available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month, and of course I will still get more commission in next few days. So anyways, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with affiliate marketing, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website as you can see. So what you will do next, click over here on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So what you will do, you will put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, and your password. Account type, make it private. Scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose a good service that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission, and I will share with you one of my profitable services that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, so what you will do, you will go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, so just go to your YouTube homepage. So first, why I choose YouTube? Did you know that YouTube has 13 billion monthly visitors? A lot of people are searching for specific topics, specific services, specific products on YouTube. And I know I'm following people who are making millions of dollars every single month from YouTube just by promoting affiliate links. Did you know that YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google? Google is number one and YouTube is number two. And millions of people every single day, like I said, using YouTube to search for services, products, and so much more. Okay, so anyways, just go to your YouTube homepage, click on the search, and use YouTube search to find a profitable services. So for example, I will ask how to run ads for, and here you go. You can ask any question you want and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. People are searching for how to run ads for a real estate agent, how to run ads for Shopify store, how to run ads for drop shipping, how to run ads for clothing brand. So I will take for example this topic, how to run ads for Shopify store. I will go back to my Fiverr account, okay, to my home page, click on the search for Shopify ads. Okay, search for Shopify ads, scroll down, you will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service on Fiverr. Okay, so those people who are providing this service, they will help those people who are searching for how to run ads for Shopify store, because those people, they don't know how to run. They have money, okay, but they don't know how to run ads for Shopify store. Okay, so those people will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, so what you will do, I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, So for example, I will choose this one. This one is level 2 seller. He has 5 star, a lot of reviews. I will run Shopify, Facebook ads, campaign, Instagram ads, and this is really good. He can also do Instagram ads. That's good. So click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do, you need to copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, okay, and click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here, okay. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube, okay? Before we do that, go back to this seller profile page and click on his video. Okay, this video looking good. Double click and save this video to your laptop. Click on save video, okay? And I will name this one ads Shopify, okay? After you finish, go to Canva, okay? Go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video and it's for free. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload. Click on upload file and upload this video to your Canva account, okay? Okay, so let me see, ads Shopify. I will upload this video, open. And here you go, your video will be uploaded to Canva. Click on your video and your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points. Click on set video as background, okay, like this. Click on text, scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. I will use this one. Just click on the text that you want to use and they will delete this part and they will decrease the font size of this text like this, okay, and they will put this text here, okay. Double click and write this sentence: check link in my description, okay. Check link in my description, like this, okay. After you finish, click on elements and click over here on ship and use this ship here like this. Okay, it's looking good now. It shows just the color of the ship. Click on the ship and click on color and use black color. Looking good. Okay, looking good, okay. And also click on your video and the background, remove the background music so we will not have any issue with the copyright on YouTube, okay. Just remove the background music. We don't need background music. This video is enough, okay. Okay, let me see. Okay, so let me see. I will click on the background music. Let's decrease. Let's check from here.
And looking for an expert? Don't worry, you have come to the right place. Facebook and Instagram is the effective way to promote a brand and get sales. You can try your services or product with Facebook.
Okay, it's looking good. So you can use this background music. So because there is a speech in the video, okay? If there is only background music, you can remove it. But if there is a speech in the video and this seller is speaking and explaining this service, just keep using it, okay. It's fine and you will not have any issue with copyright on YouTube. But if you have just the background music, only just remove it. Okay, after you finish, click on share and click over here on download, and this video will be download to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel, upload this video, okay, and copy this title, how to run ads for Shopify store. That's it, just copy this title, add this title in your YouTube video title and in your YouTube description. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here or here, okay, and go to your YouTube channel, put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. Those people, they don't know how to run ads for Shopify store, and this seller here will help those people to run ads for Shopify store, okay, and you will earn commission, okay. Those people will buy this service from your affiliate link. Those people has money, okay. People who are searching for how to run ads for Shopify store, they have money to invest in ads, okay, but they don't know how to do it, okay. So this seller on Fiverr will help those people. This seller has a good experience, has a lot of reviews here, and will help those people. Those people will buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. This is the method that I'm using to earn a lot of commission every single month, okay. I have different YouTube channels. I'm promoting a lot of affiliate links on YouTube, and YouTube is the number one source of traffic for me. I got so much traffic from YouTube for free, okay. So you just need to stay consistent and promote a lot of services. Use this method, search for services that people are searching for on YouTube, and that's it. And you can make so much money if you follow this method and if you stay consistent and patient, okay. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And for people who don't know how to upload this video to your YouTube channel, how to put affiliate link in your YouTube description, check my description below. I will leave a link of a video showing you step by step how you can upload this video and how you can put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, okay. And see you in my next video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and see you in my next videos.